Welcome to the Bloomhaven Residences, your home of luxury and serenity, located beside the prestigious and infamous ELEGUSHI beach, right in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria. With the Bloomhaven Residences, you stand the opportunity of enjoying the panoramic and unparalleled view of the Atlantic Ocean, plus the benefit that comes with enjoying the aquatic place. This building project consists of different house types. They are 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom apartment with BQ, 1-bedroom Maisonettes, 2-bedroom Maisonettes, 3-bedroom Maisonettes with BQ, 4-bedroom Maisonettes with BQ, and 4-bedroom penthouse with BQ. With our 50% initial deposit payment plan and 3 months payment spread, plus our first come, first served policy, it's now become imperative that you move quickly to secure a unit or more of any of your choice outside before you hear it's sold out. There are many benefits attached to owning a unit or more here at the Bloomhaven Residences. You can either buy to make your home here, or you can buy to resell, and you can also buy to use for short length rental. The choice is yours. For more information, contact us now.